Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what controls you already have. Open Settings and check Display and Home Screen options. This tells you whether the stock launcher lets you change icon size. If it does not, install a customizable launcher like Nova or Launcher. You can skip complicated workarounds. Once installed, grant any requested permissions and set it as your default home app. This gives you direct, safe control over icon appearance and layout so further steps actually work. You now change icon scale inside the launcher. Go to Launcher Settings, then Home Screen or Appearance, and locate icon size or icon layout. Drag the slider or enter a value to increase icons. Larger icons are visually easier to tap and reduce wasted space. Make sure to also adjust grid rows/columns or padding so icons don't overlap or get truncated. Once done, preview and walk across your home screens to confirm spacing and readability before moving on. You finish by polishing and checking for problems. Apply an icon pack or theme to ensure consistent visuals. Some packs scale icons differently, so choose one that maintains clarity. If icons appear misaligned or revert, restart the launcher or reboot the phone. Clearing the launcher cache often resolves rendering issues. Finally, if changes still look too small, open Settings Accessibility and adjust display size or font size. That system-level option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.